Hey, the Bears here, and today we're at
the Slapende Hollander.
Yeah, so we come to Efteling. Hope you checked out those videos.
Yeah.
And we're going to show you what it's like in this little lovely hotel just here. There we go. So let's get in. And there it is. And the reception's just been renovated and stuff.
Yeah.
So it's going the side here.
So it's all contactless at the moment. So
Yep.
you get a room key code via your phone, where you can just put it in the door and let you in.
Dead easy, isn't it?
So easy.
Yeah, we don't know if the codes are going to reset. We assume they will.
Yeah, they will.
But
yeah.
we're not just going to show you our code, are we? Just in case.
Just in case.
But we've got no anyway.
Yeah.
But it's just here anyway. And you just press the buttons, boop, 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 and the door will open.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. That's just your main entrance here, isn't it? Oh. I'm just going up these stairs here. What's this? Just here, room 6.
So it's the same code that you use downstairs to open the front door that you use to open your room.
Yeah, dead easy.
Hello.
Hello. And this is the room.
Yes.
So first we got a lovely fan here. Keep you nice and cool. It is a lovely sunny day. This is the little view we've got.
Yep.
Not much going on, but you don't even need to see much, do you?
No, you don't. The doors at the windows open dead nice and wide as well,
Yeah,
to be fair.
they do, don't they? There you go,
Yeah.
guys. You can get plenty of air in
Yep.
in the summer months.
You can indeed.
And yeah, so this is the room. It's quite small, but does what it says on the tin, really, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is a full double bed though. It's not two singles pushed together, so that's good as well.
Yeah, but it says 2 duvets.
2 duvets, yeah, on each.
Yeah, so that's pretty good, isn't it? But it's still quite big if you want to share as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You get a little telly there,
Yeah, little tell you that.
and you get tea and coffee making facilities just down
Yeah, you don't get the butter, guys. We bought that, or the water.
there. And there's a lovely chair there that you can
Sit
sit
on there.
You can use this to put your luggage on if you want.
Yeah.
There's a nice mirror just before you go
Yeah.
into the bathroom.
Lovely mirror there.
Hi, that's us.
Hey.
And then this is the bathroom.
Yeah. Nice
Very
bathroom
nice
here.
and modern, to be fair.
Yeah. It's big enough, isn't it? Yeah. Your toilet there, obviously, and your sink. Shower gel built in, all there. And then there's your shower. Nice and easy there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's got the 2, I feel like that. And it's got a hook for your stuff. And there's a little tissue dispenser there. Nice and easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely stuff.
You
Yeah.
have some hangers to hang up your bits and pieces as well.
Yeah, there's no fridge, we will say that, but we've only been here a couple of nights, haven't we?
Yeah, we have, to be fair.
It's not too bad. That's pretty much it. There's no USBs, unfortunately,
No.
but there's plenty of plugs about. There's a
Yeah.
couple underneath here. There you go. There's a couple down there as well.
Yeah.
So there's plenty, isn't there?
Yeah, and then you get that beautiful picture of Efteling.
Yeah, beautiful picture of Efteling, that magical place. Oh, it's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're going to show you how to get to Efteling and a few of the surrounding areas as well.
We are.
So let's go. What This is a different day, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's your birthday. Yay! And we come for a nice meal, aren't we? And we're literally, what, 2 minutes walk up from the hotel? You can like just see, it's just the next block over, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just past that brown house there, guys. So yeah, we're here, aren't we?
Yeah.
For some food.
Yeah, do you want to see the menu?
Yeah, we can't understand a lot of it, but the bloke really helped us, didn't he?
Yeah, you did.
There you go, guys. There's a bit of the menu.
Yeah. We've got loads of milkshakes. I've had a chocolate milkshake.
Just pause anything, Google Translate that, or ask someone who can read Dutch.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. That's what we had to do, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A bit of both, actually.
Yeah, the prices are dead good.
Price is really good. We know what they are. They're really good.
Yeah. they
Yeah.
are.
I've gone for a Heineken because we've had 11 hours in Efteling.
Yeah.
And you've gone for a chocolate
I
milkshake.
have.
And it's really nice, isn't it? I have tried it.
It's proper, like, thick metal. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, really nice. So yeah, we'll show you what the food's like. Yeah, ace. And yours is coming, hasn't it? Look at that. Nice lovely chicken burger. Plenty of mayonnaise on for you there.
Yeah.
That's one thing with the Europeans, they love the sauce, don't they? A bit like us.
Yeah.
As long as it's red for me.
Alright.
You like them all, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a sword fight behind you there. Yeah, it looks lovely though. And it was reasonably priced, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really, really well priced.
So, yeah.
Amazing.
Ace.
Yay.
I'll show you mine when it comes. Ta-da. Cheeseburger and chips. Lovely. Really reasonably priced, isn't it? Can't wait to tuck in. Looks really nice. I've got salt everywhere, guys. I'm not very good with it. Nice, Ab. Yeah. Let's eat.
Yeah.
Yay! As you can see, guys, that didn't last long, did it? No, it was lovely. clean plates. Very nice. Highly recommend. Happy meals, happy days. Happy days. We'll show you the sign on the outside. Lovely, lovely. Can we look around? Yeah, loads. Yeah, bit of space.
Yeah.
Pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Very nice food. Minutes away from Efteling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so that was lovely, wasn't it? Happy days, eat calf, snack bar. And if you play Pokemon Go, guys, this is a Pokestop. So nice and easy to find.
Yeah.
Top tip.
Yeah.
This is how we found it. It is play Pokemon Go.
Yeah.
Right, we're just going to nip the shop quickly.
Yeah, but just before we finish, that was only €22. Got all of that food, drinks, the lot.
Everything wants it.
Yeah.
€22.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
lovely. Lovely service as well. Had a little chat, didn't we, about Efteling?
We did?
Yeah, so we're just going to nip the shop really quickly, show you where that is.
Yeah.
And then we're going back to the hotel and crash.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the guest house hotel, if you've ever stopped there or stopping there. Happy Days is literally just there, if you can see. There you go. And the shop is down this street. Nice and easy to get to.
Yeah.
That milkshake's nice, isn't it?
It is very nice.
So yeah, it doesn't directly say it. We walked all the way around last time, didn't we?
Yeah, but it's that deep.
But it's that D end there. And it's just round the back here, isn't it?
Yes, Albert something.
Yeah. It's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, very
like Tesco,
nice.
isn't it, I suppose?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll just get a few bits and go sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the shop's just here. Oh, well, it's the next one. There you go, guys. Just there. There is a shop here. I don't know what it is. Don't know what that is, though, do you?
It looks like flowers or
Yeah.
something.
This is what we want, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. But unfortunately, guys, this is not a Bear Escape mini shop tour.
Not today.
This is where it ends. We said it'd end, but I just want to say it is a supermarket, guys.
Yeah.
We did say it's like Tesco, but
Everything.
just so you can see it, literally. Yeah. They did some really nice donuts, didn't they?
Yeah.
Just up there.
Yeah, they're so
Yeah.
soft and fresh.
And 30 cents.
Yeah.
Bargain. Quick one, guys. Tap away, I've tell them. You can get English. There you go. Nice and easy. Just so you know what it is. Yeah. But these are meant to be cheaper, so let's pay.
You have bonus products in your shopping scan. Oh, it's bonus
Oh,
card.
so you need the bonus card.
It's like Tesco.
So it is like
The club
Tesco.
card, yeah.
Right, get it now. So perhaps some of the stuff wasn't as cheap as we thought.
No.
No.
Okay.
Oh well. Right, so this is something we just worked out. You do need a receipt, guys.
You do need a receipt.
We got the short one.
Yeah, you can get a long one as well
Yeah,
if you want
if you want to see all your bits.
But so you can get out.
Yeah, so you have to scan to show you prove you paid. There you go. How good's that?
Yeah.
Right, guys, just on the way back, there's Happy Days, if you can see it. And that's our hotel.
That white building just
That white building just over there. I'll just try and zoom in for you there. The one on the left, that's our hotel.
Yep.
And yeah, and the shop's literally the next street up after that.
Yeah.
Easy
Absolutely
peasy.
brilliant. Yeah.
And we will show you in the morning, Efteling.
Yes.
But we're not quite sure if you've seen the room or not yet.
No.
No, it's been a bit chopper changey, a bit like our travel vlogs, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you'll see it.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, let's go. And Efteling's just this way.
Literally just down this road.
Yes.
Remember that?
We'll show you this. I don't know if you can make that out, guys. Right at the end there. That's a coach station. Efteling's just at the end of the street.
Yeah, that's the bus station where we got off.
Yep. And the hotel's just there.
Yeah.
And there's the bus station. This is where we got to on our travel vlog, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you check that if you want to see how you get from Eindhoven to here.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's nice and simple. And this is where we'll be going home from, won't it, later on today?
Yeah.
In Efteling, is there, guys? Look,
Literally,
it's there.
entrance.
Entrance. Boop, boop. See the magic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait.
I can't know.
Oh, it's been really easy though. Do you recommend the hotel, Ev?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's been really nice. We've got 2 nights there, haven't we?
2 nights there, yeah.
Yeah.
Had everything on the doorstep. Haven't
Yeah.
had to worry about getting to the theme park. Brilliant.
Brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
And as per usual with our hotel kind of videos, bit mixed mashed.
Yeah.
But we tried to show you everything overall, haven't we?
We have.
Yeah, that's the main thing, isn't
It
it?
is.
Yeah, so let's go get some magic in us, Ev.
Yay!
Yay! And we're here to Efteling, yeah! We made it, and we've had a lovely stay at the Slapende Hollander.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry for our pronunciation.
Yeah. It's in the title and we'll pop it up and things with the link under to the website and stuff, won't
Yeah,
we?
we will.
Absolutely brilliant. We've enjoyed our stay there, haven't we?
We have.
Yeah, but we're done now, unfortunately. We're going to go into Efteling, so
Yeah.
make sure you check out one of them videos.